In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate signature requests for recurring documents. If you're someone who's tired of manually sending out documents for signatures over and over again, stay tuned, because this will save you a ton of time. You're probably already using software like DocuSign, PandaDoc, or others to handle document signing. But what if I told you there's an even easier way to set this all up so that you don't have to manually send signature requests every single time? Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate that entire process. First off, let's talk about the software we'll be using in this video. If you've tried all the popular options, you know the drill, but what you might not know is that there are features in this software that can make automating signature requests for recurring documents as simple as a few clicks. It's easy to integrate with your existing processes, and I'll show you exactly how. Now, the key here is setting up what's called a template in the software. Templates allow you to create a document that you know you'll need to send over and over. Instead of filling in the same details each time, like dates or names, you can save that template and reuse it. To get started, you simply upload the document you need signed. Once uploaded, you'll tag the areas where signatures are required. These are the fields the software will recognize when it sends out the request. But here's the magic part. When it's a recurring document, you can automate the workflow, so every time you need to send the same document, it's just a matter of selecting the template, filling in the variable information like names or dates, and letting the software handle the signature request automatically. Next, we want to set up the automation part. In the software we're using, you'll go to the automation section where you can specify when and how the document should be sent. This is where you can set rules like sending the document on a specific date or having it triggered when an event occurs, such as completing a task or making a payment. The system will automatically send out the signature request at the right time, and you won't need to worry about manually doing it anymore. Also, if you're dealing with multiple recipients, you can pre-fill all the necessary fields like email addresses, names, and other relevant info, which means there's no need to manually enter anything each time. The software will do all of that for you, making the process fast and error-free. Finally, when it comes to tracking and managing signatures, the software keeps everything in one place. You can see who has signed, who hasn't, and send reminders automatically if needed. This saves you from having to chase people down to get the paperwork done. One thing to note, if you've been looking for a way to streamline this process and make it as easy as possible, this software is a game changer. I've tested out all the major options, and this one gives you the best combination of ease of use and automation features for recurring signature requests. Before I wrap up, remember to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out if you want to follow along and automate your signature requests the easy way. Key takeaway here: automating signature requests for recurring documents isn't as complicated as it sounds. By using templates and automation features in the right software, you can save time, reduce errors, and eliminate the manual effort. To quickly recap, upload your document, tag the signature fields, set up the automation, and let the software handle the rest. And once again, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.